Okay, so click on the event. And then once you get into your main dashboard, you will see that some candidates may have already pre-registered through a link that we provided prior to the event. And then if they did not pre-register, they can scan the QR codes on the table, and then that will allow them to register at the booth. And then you'll start to see their names populate here onto the left. Um, so we're going to go ahead and click on one of the candidates. And so you can see here now you have a number of options to choose from. If the candidate did not already add their resume, they can do that on their phones or however they're registering. And they can do that by taking a picture of it or uploading it from their phone. If they did not do that, you can simply hit add resume. This will generate the camera to cut on, and you can take a picture and upload their resume, and then you'll be able to see that here. In the details part, these are just some of the specific information that you might need to know about the candidate from the pre-registration. So, a big question here is, do they require sponsorship, what their position of interest is, and graduation date. And then any forms that we do populate at the bottom. And so this is a form I went ahead and did an evaluation earlier. So you can see that you can click on this form and you can see exactly what I put into the evaluation. All right, going back, so we're going to pick Ella this time. And so this one I have not had a chance to evaluate. So in order to evaluate them, you're simply going to go in and click on the review button. Once you get to that, that's where you'll start to go through the options of the questions that are there. So you'll want to tell us, kind of what program you think they would be a good fit for. Sorry, I had the camera pointing a little bit weird. And then mobility is a big one. So you want to make sure that you put that in there. Has the candidate applied online? And then any notes. So anything that made the candidate stand out, for an example, that would be good to put here. And then simply submit. And this now adds this to the forms at the bottom. And so that's really it for you guys as far as the evaluation goes, on knowing exactly what to capture for each candidate.